Hi guys, in this video, I'll be doing a cover of ILYSB or I Love You So Bad by Lani. And please subscribe to my channel, Melly Tunisio, after watching this, and take the like button. Ito na. Sing along with me. Ain't never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay with me. It's not like we got big plans. Let's drive around town holding hands. And you need to know you're the only one. Alright, alright. And you need to know that you keep me up all night, all night. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, babe, so bad, so bad. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, babe, so bad, so bad. Yun na. So, thank you sa mga views niya lagi sa mga vlog ko, and I want to show you yung side ko na kumakanta kasi yung bata pa ako, I really love singing and it's part of who I am. And I want you to know na yung someone that is for you will be given to you by God. And in this timing of His, it will be perfect. See you guys.